Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So girls, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless glove design. So please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and made knitting variety. Beautiful pattern for working women. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Very nice. Follow my channel and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless glove design. Very nice. You can see 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless glove design. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.